Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Rummy Circle. First, you will need to register for an account. Simply provide your mobile number and email address to get started. Once registered, you can securely log in using your chosen credentials. The platform ensures your data is protected with robust security measures. After logging in, take a moment to explore the main lobby, where you will find a wide array of Rummy game formats available for play. Before diving into a game, it is essential to understand the rules of Indian Rummy. The primary goal is to form valid sets and sequences from your 13 cards. A valid declaration requires at least 2 sequences, one of which must be a pure sequence. Rummy Circle offers popular variants like Points Rummy, Pool Rummy, and Deals Rummy, each with slightly different scoring and gameplay. Taking a few minutes to review these rules will significantly enhance your playing experience. Now, let's get into playing your first game. From the lobby, choose a table that matches your preferred Rummy variant and entry fee. Once seated, you will be dealt 13 cards. The game involves drawing a card from the open or closed deck and then discarding one. Your objective is to strategically form valid sets and sequences. When you have successfully arranged all your cards, you can declare your hand to win the game. Rummy Circle is committed to providing a fair and secure gaming environment. The platform utilizes a certified random number generator, ensuring that card distribution is completely unbiased and unpredictable. Should you encounter any questions or issues, their dedicated customer support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to assist you. Remember to practice responsible gaming by setting limits on your play and taking regular breaks to ensure a healthy experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.